The archaeological discoveries at the Sitai ruins in Shangyi County, North China's Hebei province, was listed as one of China's new archaeological discoveries of 2022 at a forum on Wednesday. More than 40 dwelling sites and 800 pieces of artifacts have been discovered at the Sitai ruins, covering an area of about 150,000 square meters.
我们这次呢，就是说发现了万年前后6座，就是说古人居住的房子。我们在四台遗址万年前后的这一批这个遗存中啊，发现了大量的这个动物骨骼。你比如说有这个野牛、野马，说明啊，当时四台之人啊，肉是他们这个餐桌上一道这个非常主要的美味佳肴。另外，我们在四台还发现了玉珏，跟这个玉珏啊都磨制得非常精美。以我们现在的人的眼光来看，它都是一项高超的工艺技术。
The milestone archaeological discoveries show humans' transition from a nomadic lifestyle in the Paleolithic age to a settled life in the early Neolithic age.